Detroit DD13, DD15, or DD16 engines making a loud ticking noise when running can lead to metal shavings found in the fuel filter, pointing to possible fuel contamination or a failing fuel pump. You wouldn't risk further damage to your truck by pushing it till it quits, so why buy your next fuel pump from anyone other than America's trusted diesel engine part supplier? Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this high-pressure fuel pump for the Detroit Diesel DD13, DD15, and DD16. This fuel pump is rebuilt with all wearable and critical components replaced with genuine OE parts, giving you a quieter, superior performance and durability. Crafted with the latest upgrades to all components and specifications, built to match OE performance. Every fuel pump is produced and tested using the latest OEM technology and tooling, confirming results you desire in your truck, setting your engine up for another million miles. Quality, performance, and power. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and access to Highway and Heavy Parts industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping from America's trusted diesel engine part supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.